Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: SQL Server running and a reachable server name, plus authentication credentials. Once done, download the Microsoft JDBC driver and note the exact jar file path. This is required so Netbeans can load the driver. Now open Netbeans and create or open your Java project, then add the JDBC jar to project libraries. This step registers the driver with your build. Make sure your firewall allows the SQL Server port, and keep credentials ready for the next step. Next, you implement the actual connection code in Netbeans. First, load the driver class so the JVM knows the driver implementation. This ensures compatibility. Then construct the JDBC URL with host, port 1433, and database name. Include parameters like encrypt equals false for local testing. Once built, use Driver Manager. Get connection, URL, user, password in a try with resources block so connections close automatically. This gives you a live connection object you can use to finish. Ensure you properly close result set, statement, and connection. Try with resources does this automatically, which prevents resource leaks. If you encounter connection failures, first verify TCP/IP is enabled in SQL Server Configuration Manager and that the server accepts remote connections, then confirm the port and credentials. Also make sure the JDBC jar remains on the project's class path in Netbeans. One key troubleshooting tip: enable SQL Server error logs and test connection with SSMS. If SSMS cannot connect, Netbeans won't either.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.